Welcome to my channel. My name is Maggie and I have a spring in my step. Spring is my favorite season. I love everything about it. My birthday is in spring, my anniversary is in spring, and I live for it. Everything comes to life. It's a refreshing day. It's a new start. I love it. So I want to share with you a series of videos every Saturday showing you how to make the most of this season. I'll give you a bit of a teaser of all of the videos that will be coming up. I have categories for everything that I want to do, and these categories will go into every season, but obviously they will change per the season. So I have written them all down here, and I'm going to share them with you. So starting off, I have a darling DIY, and I'm a huge fan of alliteration. You will see that moving forward. Darling DIY, we're going to learn how to do something DIY. I will show you what it is. We're going to do, I want to show you my skincare routine and my clear complexion, flawless face. So I'm going to show you the spring foundation routine that I do. I'm going to show you my closet encounter. I'm going to take you into my closet and we're going to show you how I organize for this first one. But moving forward, I will show you, how to pull out your summer clothes and out and everything. I have a few makeup tutorials that I have that I want to share with you. I have a svelte silhouette. I'm going to share with you my fitness routine. You guys, COVID got me. I gained a little bit of weight, but don't worry. If you did too, we're going to lose it all this season. I have colorful cooking. We're going to talk about how that svelte silhouette goes hand in hand with what we eat. I have a holiday haul because I am going on a holiday. I'm going to go finally on a trip. I've been waiting all year. Last year in 2020, we took little day road trips where we would just go somewhere. We really wouldn't get down in those places. We would just look. It's sort of like window shopping for travel. We would just go to the places here around Texas. And let me tell you, I'm over that. I want to go far away and see the sights and eat the food and talk the talk. I want to do everything travel-wise. So join me on these journeys. I am a little bit of a kitchen beautician, so I'm going to show you how to make some things in the kitchen that you already use or that you could find at your grocery store. I'm all about accessibility, so we're going to talk about how that's going, what we can do to really benefit our skin, hair, and nails in the kitchen. And finally, I'm going to upload book reviews every month. I'm still doing my 100 days or my 100 books for the year. So I'm going to share with you every month the books that I have read for the month. And at the end of the season, we're going to do a planner flip through where you'll see my planner for this year. I meant to do that for this year, but I'm still going to go ahead and upload that probably during the week. My planner for my winter planner. I'm kind of changing it up, but maybe not. But I will show you that in this next the next video during the week. I will share that with you. But that's what I have for you in store for you. I hope that you join me on this journey. I love this season. I feel like I come to life. Looking back at my videos, I always kind of make a comeback in spring. I've noticed that, and I'm here for it. I'm here for spring. I just come. So that's what I have for you. I hope you would join me on this journey. Like I said, please subscribe to my channel, comment, and like my videos so that we can grow a real community here of like-minded girls who just want to enjoy every season and who like books, beauty, fashion, and travel. Meet me here every Saturday where I will upload a new video. I will hang out in the comments for a while. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon. Bye.